do.
And we got it after Marie, which I was freaking out. So, it's Shopkins.
Shopkins.
It's season 2.
Sure enough, it's season 2.
Okay, so here's yours.
Thank you.
Welcome. Here, wait.
Thank you. Okay. Almost lost a finger, but that would be a surprise at the Wagners.
Got it today at a birthday party. It must be in my friend, my lucky day, and not my friend Lila's. It's her birthday party today, and yesterday was her birthday. And she's in the classroom, and she was in the Sunday school too. This is the first time getting these blind bag Shopkins, and I really wanted these ones.
It might be a surprise like getting them open.
And I never opened these before, and this is my first time with Grams.
No, I've never seen these before.
Okay, let's see what you get.
Let's see what's in
the
this.
shopping list.
Okay.
That was in
The
the
shopping
third one.
list.
We
Okay.
have oh, you got toilet paper. She got toilet paper.
Put it in
Grams got toilet
Put
paper.
it in my shopping cart, my shopping basket.
Okay, well done.
Oh, and I have one shoe.
Oh
I wonder if I
yeah.
have there's another shoe.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yes, we got a shoe. I never got a shoe before. Yellow thing. Okay, let's see what I get. I hopefully get Paw Pizza in one of them.
What do you like?
Paw Pizza.
Really?
I hope it's not the popsicle again. No! Yay!
Is it the other shoe?
No. What's this?
It's a surprise.
Oh, it's a trash can. Trash can. It's a trash can. That's cute. I got that.
Went from what's this to that's cute.
Yeah. I got it. What's a trash can?
What is it?
I got something cool. Ah! I never got this one before. It's funny. Look.
Okay.
Look. Here's a mustache. So we got those two.
In the shopping basket.
Okay, put those. Here's. Okay.
Oh, there's
And this?
more?
And this one, and this,
Okay.
no, there's no more.
Right, we're
So
walk-
we have to open this up together.
Okay.
You cut it, and
And
I
you
will
open
rip it.
Okay. Put the trash in the bag.
It's my purse. It's my purse. It's my purse now.
Is that? Okay. Here's your other bag.
Wait,
What?
what's this? Oh, it's another one.
What was it? I'm for you with the scissors.
I already have this one, I think.
Okay.
No, I don't.
Oh, that's good.
Weird. Something. Dish detergent. Dish detergent. So I'm gonna.
Oh, what is it? What is it?
Ice cream.
Oh, what a nice surprise.
Okay, and so we don't know what these are named, and we never got these ones before, but Thank you for watching our videos. And, so yeah, bye.
Bye.